It's February. February. I promise I'm not drinking. I just can't say that, can I? I hope you are having an amazing day. It's Patti Allred. I am live in the car rider line waiting on my amazing grandson, Creston. Let's see if I can get where I'm not shadowing. Nope. Anyway, lots going on. Hey, I have posted some free things in my blog, pattiallred.com, PattiAllred.com. Jump over there, check it out. I am not a professional blogger. Let me say that. So no hate mail, okay? I'm not a professional live person, so no hate comments. And I have a TV show. Positively Patti. I'll have to put the link for it below. And I am not a professional actress. No hate mail. Listen, what I mainly want to get across to you is if I can do this, you can do it. I'm burning up. I'm going to turn the air off. On. Don't count yourself out. The only time you fail is when you quit. Listen, I make mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes. But I don't quit. You need somebody to help you get through and find the right social media platform to work your online business with. I just may be your girl. I am really not taking on any more one-on-one clients, but I do have some time to answer a few questions. So go to my blog, shoot me a message. Let's see if we can get you on the right track. There's too much money out there to be made for you not to be making it. I'm talking $200 to $300 a month can be life-changing for many people. Would it help you? Then you can scale up. That's exactly what I did. I want to guide you to do the same thing. I want to give you permission to go after it. I want to let you know that you're worth it. That I believe in you, or I wouldn't be on here, because I don't like doing lives. That's really all I wanted to hop on here today and say. I want to say I've missed you. I've not been here. Yeah, we had the funk going on in our house, but we're good. Take care of yourself. Wash your dang hands. And make your life less stressful by finding something that you love to do online. Don't do it alone. You don't have to. I've got some help for you. I'm here. I love you. Most of all, I want you to choose happy. And I will talk to you soon. Patti Allred in North Carolina. Check out my blog, pattiallred.com, PattiAllred.com.